Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we explore how blend if transformation ordinary blending into advanced precision control. Start by selecting the layer you want to merge naturally with the background. Open the layer style and locate the blend if slider at the bottom. These sliders allow you to remove shadows, highlights or mid-tones without masking. Pulls this layers slider to hide specific tonal ranges, you will instantly see parts of the layers fade in a smooth, natural way. Hold Alt and split the slider for a softer feather transformation. This prevents harsh edges and gives a professional blended look. Adjust the underlay